Friday, February 7th, 2:55 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. Going to do an update on the Magnificent Seven stocks, as well as the index they are in, the NASDAQ 100. Situation awareness. I have a watch list here of those Magnificent Seven in alphabetical order. The alphabetical order has several columns to the right. A lot of red. Yep, the market's still open. Opportunities to buy and close positions. Yep. So majority of them are red, except Meta, it's green. That alone does not tell me if they're at an all-time high. Just let me know again the price that opened at compared to yesterday to know if it's green or red, high or low, as well as the percentage change and the dollar amount change. Well, I want to go look at more important information. Again, I mentioned it's in the NASDAQ 100. I could buy this as a stock ETF. Instead of going out and buy the 7 stocks, I could simply buy the stock ETF. The stock symbol is QQQ. The main index, the cash index, right here, the NDX. Look at this 5-year chart. Yeah, very close to the all-time highs, which occurred last year. Top right, we're in a tight consolidation here, building energy. We will break out eventually, forming a new trend. So right off the bat, see this green horizontal line? We broke below it this year and went back above it, closed above it. Nice, strong. It's support. That same week happened to make the low of the year, 2025. Again, the high of last year was right here on top of this huge consolidation. So we'll look at the stocks in alphabetical order. Same thing. Each candle represents a week. Today, the week would be finishing at 4 p.m. The U.S. stock market closes at 4 p.m. Lots of opportunities to still get in or out of trades. Apple, bottom left, the low for the past 5 years. Top right, the high, which was last year. And look, it's the last day of the week, and it's an inside candle. We haven't taken out the high or low of last week. Yep. Next, Amazon. Look at the low, the bottom left. Got tested a few years after. See this orange vertical line? That's when the stock got added to another index, still on the NASDAQ 100, but it also got added to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Since then, it's gone higher, making all-time new high. That's right. This week, all-time new high Apple. Strong like bull. Trading above the high of last year. Nice. I shared this trade idea where this orange line was to my Patreon members. They had the opportunity to buy as investments and do dollar cost averaging since then. Same with the index, which I just showed you. Google, aka Alphabet. Again, the stock symbol, Google, but the company, we know, changed their name to Alphabet. Well, bottom left has been the low for the past 5 years. And this week, we made the all-time new high. And now we broke below the low of this year, near the lows of this year. Big difference performance. What a week. Meta. Remember, it used to be called Facebook, stock symbol, 2 letters, and now it's Meta. Past 5 years, here's the low. And look at this, all-time new high this week being made. Strong like bull. Microsoft. Bottom left is the low. Last year made the all-time high. This week, new low for the year. Again, mixed singles occurring, the Magnificent Seven. See this one? Have you ever heard of it? Mm-hmm. Bottom left, the low. The top, the high. That orange vertical line, I shared when that got added to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Since then, we're below it. Made a new low for the year. Yep, this year. This year made the new high for the year. And since then, this week made a new low for the year. Big difference than the other ones. Wow. Tesla, bottom left, the low. The top is the high from last year. And this week, new low for the year. So we got interesting occurring here. Several making new lows for the year and several making all-time new highs. Mixed singles of Magnificent Seven. Again, this is the stock index, NASDAQ 100. It's in a consolidation where the other ones are trending. Some all-time new high. Mm-hmm. I want to include another one. Bonus. Netflix. All-time new high. Outstanding. And the index, plenty of opportunities to do dollar cost average, be more diversified, lower risk than a single stock. You go ahead and choose those other stocks. I choose the ones I mentioned to my Patreon members. Thank you as always, spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.